Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Slides presentation more engaging, whether it's for school, work, or a personal project, adding audio is a game changer. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to insert audio into your Google Slides step by step. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share some quick tips to make your audio play perfectly every time. First, open your web browser and head to Google Slides. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, creating a free account takes just a minute. Once signed in, you'll land on the Slides homepage. Next, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. For a clean demonstration, I recommend starting with a blank presentation, but the process works exactly the same on any existing file. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the top menu, click on Insert. From the drop-down list, choose Audio. A new window will pop up, and here's an important note. Your audio file must be stored in Google Drive. If it's currently on your computer, upload it to Google Drive first. Once it's there, you can either scroll through your Drive files or use the search bar to quickly locate the audio you want. When you find it, click Select. As soon as the audio is inserted, a small audio icon appears on your slide and a settings panel opens on the right. Here you can tailor how the audio behaves. Choose Play automatically if you want the audio to start as soon as the slide opens, or select Play on Click if you'd rather trigger it manually during your presentation. You can also adjust the volume and even hide the icon if you prefer a cleaner look. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to your Google Slides presentation. Simple, quick, and perfect for making your slides stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now go ahead and bring your presentations to life with sound. See you in the next video.